What's up, guys? It's your girl Swaggy. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing good. I wanted to show you a little update on my garden. Yes, my Dollar Tree seeds, they came out. I was very skeptical. I'm not gonna lie, but they came out and I'm gonna show you them. So yesterday was rainy day. Today's a sunny day. Yeah, I love it. Sun better than rain, definitely. So I want to show you my babies. Look at them. I don't know the name of this flower, but them look pretty. And they are weak door, but I think the soil not good. I need more soil, more fertilizer, I know it as a matter of the fact, but flowers them pretty. Hope the rest going to bloom too. Yes, and we have here some, but it's different. No flowers yet, but looks like them Makumoto. So that is a situation. Oh my god, I feel like I just stepped on the ants them nest and it burns me so bad. Like, oh my god, like Jamaican ants, them the easy, you know. As soon as something they bite hard. I will sprayed a lot of ant powder outside. So I'm on the way to pick up my packages. I ordered gift that I already told you in my previous vlog. For Errol was late, my second gift for him. And also I ordered the shoes for the kids, a pair of sandals. One package already came. I don't know why they separated, but it was from the same seller. I was expecting two of them in one time, but Leo got his sandals earlier than Daniel, so today I'm gonna pick up one for Daniel. And you know, it's such a lifesaver because here in Jamaica we have Crocs and we have Payless, and we have other shops that not specialize on shoes, but you can find shoes in them. Like just normal people sell out them barrels or whatever, but it's rare to find something for especially your kids size. So we have to work with either Crocs or Payless. So Crocs, my kids are not really fans of Crocs. They always complain it's not really comfortable to wear them, and them feet sweat, so they don't like Crocs. And Payless, just the other day we bought one pair of sandals. They were alright, you know, but them flimsy and them stickers and them something now work already. So I just said I gotta go and order from Amazon, and so far I'm really satisfied with the first pair of sandals. They were on point, you know, and Leo loved them so much. So here, so go and pick up the next pair of them for Daniel, because so far, so ironically, but they wear the same size now. Yeah man, size 13 kids. Every time you buy something, either it not last or either they grow it so fast. Yeah guys, look at update on the plaza nearby. See KFC, you have KFC, you have Pizza Hut now, and Starbucks well open. Yeah. After shopping. My favorite place is this for Amazon. That's how I'm shopping in Jamaica. This is Amazon. You see tea strainer. The one for the tea. Last time you see it. Yeah guys, so nobody staff them don't know what I'm talking about, but you know this strainer for the tea. We don't know, nobody knows it, but it's like a little round something. It's like a strainer. People don't know it. That's what you will need to buy for next baby. See how much for it? The chair. So I don't need to hold the baby 24/7. Yeah. Turn on some vibration and the baby alright. 20,000 about. Yeah. Oh. How much for the baby chair? Baby chair 22,000, alright? Make sure you remember. Make sure you remember the prices. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? See Polo. Wola for days. See Polo for days there. Tommy Hilfiger there. Oh, United Colors of Benetton there. Supreme. Supreme. Very. Tommy, how do you know about brands? You know, so far, they have good, okay quality toddler clothes, you know? Yeah, them have good quality toddler clothes. Like for newborns, them and up to 1 year, them have good quality. And after, you can't lie, but the quality good.
5 bills for
how much? Yeah, 5 bills for one little body that your child will not even wear 1 month.
Not bad.
Yeah. Yeah, good section for newborns. Yeah, man. So, yeah. You know them lipsticks? They were popular back in the 90s in Russia. I remember growing up using them. Different flavors. Guys, for them little things, Chinaman store, yes, I eat that. And I bought towel cheaper in a Chinaman store, definitely. Little horse essentials cheaper, and the bamboo or the board for cut things. Yeah, buy it. And this for file nails, butter too. Yeah, it's good for look at them essential things for go Chinaman. Yeah, not overpriced. Happy birthday.
Wow, thank you, my wife.
You're welcome.
What a great second gift. Oh.
You had a birthday week then.
Yeah, even after birthday, you're going to still get gift.
That.
Wow. Yeah. Love cold water. I never got this perfume before. Is it?
Is it real?
Is it real? Perfect. I need to take it to my friends. Okay. No, people just.
He's joking, guys. He's joking.
Guys. It's a joke, man.
I just.
Man. Oh, what do I put it here? I put it on.
So nothing else in the pack. Check now what if they put some maybe something else. Yeah. But perfume them call it lawn. Them did I check it back front and center.
Illegal substance from the country.
Yeah, I'm pay a little bit more than usual. Yeah, cause perfume them say, yo, you want to ship perfume? Yeah, pay. Smell no?
What that mean?
It's perfume. It's not for toilet.
What does that mean?
What if, you know, like...
You haven't smelled a perfume before. I smelled this one people before, man. It's nice.
Smells good. It's refreshing though.
That one smells nice.
Just like Airwick. Just like Airwick fresh. Yo, the joke smells good and fresh.
So man, so I beg your troops youth.
So guys, we decided to walk in the town and check 1-2 local stores. Oh, nice goods.
Respect to see you on YouTube, man. Yeah, respect, man.
Check out Daryl. Oh, kids, they have orientation day. Oh, that pilot? Oh, well, they look big though. Oh, you have smaller one. Yeah, see guys, kids need something to wear, like a uniform for a day in school. So guys, you know, I'm gonna look for this one. I'm gonna show the lady if she have it. Sorry, do you have this one? And I have, alright. Nobody has. So guys, that's why I come for shop till you drop. You see me? What it says. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. How much feet?
Which one?
This one.
1500.
15?
100, yeah. 15.
Oh, 1,500. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna eat some nice jerk chicken. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good.
You like it?
Yeah, man, your chicken looks up top.
Alright, alright. Alright.
Yeah, man, same shop. Here, same Big Red Food and Grill. We're there. So on our way back home, we saw a guy. He was selling lychee, and we had to stop because I love lychee and I had to buy some. Back in the days when we used to live in Vietnam, I used to really love them and I used to be addicted to them. So we paid 750 Jamaican dollars for a half of the pound. But trust me guys, not every day you see a person sells lychee like that, because it's pretty unusual fruit for Jamaica. You don't see it every day. And the guy told us he carried them way back from St. Catherine. Yeah, I couldn't just hold my faith though. I had to try it, and it tasted a little bit sour, like they pick them too early, but I still love lychee. Yep. So guys, Leo lost his third tooth, right? Yes. Tooth number 3 gone. Show me. Show me. Wee.
Spider!
Yeah, Leo. Don't forget to put it under the pillow so the tooth fairy come and give you little coins. Yeah? Yeah. You're gonna wash it?
Because the blood is...
Wash.
Didn't you win rings? And... Well, that going to my racket.
Show me, Leo. Leo, show me. Okay, don't worry. The good one will replace it. Yeah? You know, some people love to say that Jamaica has no seasons and there is always summer in Jamaica. Let me tell you something. Look on my face and look on it good. How does it look to you? It looks burned up, and it's not from mask, it just burned from sun, and that means that summer is on the way. Yes man, place get hot, and even our pool that always used to be cold, and when you go in it you get used to the water and you just stand and shake 15 minutes. Right now come like nothing, come like you want to stand all day in the pool and not come out. So right now, yes man, me feel that summer is on the way. The place is getting heated, you know. Yes, even though there are rains, but they don't really help much. Yes, after rain there always a heat. Yes, so it will be my second summer in Jamaica, because most of the times I go either Russia, I go to visit my family, either we in Vietnam area work. So yep, but still me give God thanks, because we in Ocho where the heat is not that strong enough. Because I remember the summer in Portmore was deadly and not cool. It was just deadly. Okay, so there are seasons in Jamaica, don't get it twisted, and you can feel them. Like me I feel, you know, me I feel like in the air is a hot heat in the air. I'm gonna feel that when it's Christmas time, honestly. But right now, that's what I'm feeling. Wow, Danny, what's that, Danny? It's Danny did it? That's just so... Oh, it's so cute. It's a bird. It's a doctor bird.
In the bag.
Cute. So now I will try East Indian mango, and it's longer than Julie. Yeah, but let's try it. Looks like a bit greenish, but I hope it is ready because it's soft even though it looks like a bit green. So let me try it. It's ready. It's well ready. So may I go try it? So I always eat it because I have braces, so I need to take out my elastics. Yeah. So now may I go try it though. It looks like a bit hairy to me. More hairy than Julie mango. Not too sweet. I don't know, maybe it's not like super super ready, but just not too sweet. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go check my garden because people did say swaggy, leave peppers them alone, you pick them too early. So let me see. And see them my turn, but they kinda look to me like them ready for me don't know. Does them look to you like them kinda ready for spoil or them just a turn? Yeah, them a turn, you know. Them a turn. See them red, but me don't know. One I left and it just spoiled on the tree, but it turned red, you know. Yeah, so I guess I just need to be on time, you know, when a time to pick them up, you know. Can't wait too long. If once them red, you see, and them easily pick up. And I think this one pretty ready, so I can just take it down because it just came out, almost came out by itself. Yeah, because once they're red, them spoil really quick, you know. Them spoil really quick once them red. So unfortunately lettuce never worked out. RIP lettuce. Yeah. And we have some good news. I have flowers here on the way. Pretty flowers. Okay, yeah, those are the flowers. Good thing we never picked them out, you know. And you see this flowers too. See our long gone. The long gone. It's pretty, but it's not really improving much. Just there. So it's the end of today's vlog. Hope you enjoy my video. Stay positive, guys, and enjoy life, you know, cause life is too short for negativity. Okay, stay positive. Take care. Bye.